A year on Mars. Today, I will be your host. On this podcast, we bring in experts, scientists, engineers, and astronauts to keep you up to date with what's happening in the world of human spaceflight and more. For men go to Mars. Good. Kind of 4 people are about to embark on a year-long analog mission in a habitat on Earth that closely simulates what it's like to live on Mars. The analog mission is called CHAPEA, or Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog. More than a technology demonstration or a dress rehearsal of a human Mars mission, the primary purpose of this study is human research, an in-depth study to understand what life would be like if you had to stay there for a full year. In this operation, there is limited water availability and proper food preparation. Also, when communicating from Mars to Earth, there is a delay of 20 minutes, so they also have to communicate in 20 minutes. This is a 3D design. And there is a limited amount of space. We are waiting to see how they will be in a limited amount of space in a limited amount of time for a year.
So the Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog, or CHAPEA, it was developed as a 1-year Mars surface simulation with the intent that we can have crew in isolation and confinement with Mars realistic restrictions, and we can really start to understand how those restrictions are associated with their health and performance over there.
Welcome to NASA's Mars Dune Alpha habitat, where inside this 1,700 square foot space, 4 volunteers will be isolated and confined for a year as scientists try to figure out how humans could survive.
And the sheer distance would be things like being able to get along. So when you're in a small habitat with, 3 other people, that can wear on you over time. And we have different experiments and what we call analogs like this that have been for shorter durations. There's been a handful that have
Actual astronauts. They'll each have their own bedroom and share common spaces to work, exercise, and relax. The group will attempt to live as self-sustainably as possible, including growing their own food.
They'll have the opportunity here to grow some pick-and-eat salad crops, and that is going to end up being part of their food system.
Connected to the habitat is a 1,200 square foot sandbox where the volunteers